Qué comen? What do they eat? A bilingual story by Yasmin DeBuck. ¿Qué come la vaca? What does the cow eat? La vaca come pasto. The cow eats grass. Moo. ¿Qué come la gallina? What does the chicken eat? La gallina come granos. The chicken eats grains. Cluck, cluck. ¿Qué come el caballo? What does the horse eat? El caballo come manzanas. The horse eats apples. Nay! ¿Qué come el cerdo? What does the pig eat? El cerdo come residuos. The pig eats slops. Oink, oink. ¿Qué come el conejo? What does the rabbit eat? El conejo come zanahorias. The rabbit eats carrots. Squeak, squeak. ¿Qué come el perro? What does the dog eat? El perro come carne. The dog eats meat. Woof, woof. Los animales comparten sus manjares juntos. The animals share their treats together. Hola amigos, I had so much fun figuring out what the animals eat in English and in Spanish. I had so much fun. I hope you did too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more storytime videos like this. Until next time, amigos. Bye!